Okay. So, thanks for everyone for joining. Myself, Srikanth. Today I'll take the demo on cloud and DevOps. So in cloud, I have like AWS and Azure we are going to cover. And we have the DevOps tools also. Like in the DevOps tools, we are covering Git, GitHub, GitHub Actions also, GitHub Actions. Then we have Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform. Then we have Nexus, SonarQube integration. So with the Jenkins, we are going to integrate like all these and the GitHub Actions also. Then we required even monitoring. We need to have the monitoring also. We required. So for the monitoring purpose, we have Prometheus and Grafana. Then we need New Relic or Datadog kind of things also is required. And for the logging purpose, we required ELK stack. Okay, so these all the tech stacks we are going to cover. Okay, so then we required good expertise on the Linux. Some Windows also is added advantage. Then we are going to maintain scripting wise Python, some basics of Bash also we are going to cover. So these all the tech stacks we are going to maintain. Yeah, hello. Yeah, any doubts on this?
No.
Okay, so now here the course fees is 15,000. Duration it takes 3 months. Even recorded sessions, all those also we would be sharing. Even prior videos also, like you need to finish. Every day minimum need to spend 4 to 6 hours of time. Then easily we can get into around 3 to 4 years of expertise in this area. Okay, so some Linux basics also is mandatory, and process-wise, we required some knowledge on the Agile and ITIL wise also. We required some basic knowledge on the process also. We required. Yeah. Any doubts on this?
No.
Okay. So then coming to the cloud. So what exactly were understanding of the cloud? So what is say suppose here in the cloud we have AWS and Azure, right? What exactly your understanding of cloud computing? Say if someone asks you about the cloud computing, then what is the meaning of cloud computing? Okay, so the term cloud refers on demand how we are going to deliver infrastructure, platforms, softwares, and applications can be delivered to any device. Okay, and the billing is based on the usage. So what is that meaning is if I use if I use the infrastructure, platform, softwares and applications, okay, so we are going to pay the money based on the usage itself. But in the traditional infrastructure, without usage also we need to pay the money if you purchase those servers, hardware, licenses, all those. But one of the advantage of the cloud is only based on the usage itself, we need to pay the money. If I don't use any of those infrastructure, platforms, softwares, or applications, we no need to pay the money. Okay, so what is the meaning of the term cloud? Refers on demand, how the infrastructure, platform, softwares, and applications can be delivered to any device and anywhere and any connection. The the billing is based on the usage. What is that meaning is, if I use more, we'll pay more money. If I don't use it, we don't need to pay the money. Okay, so if I use more, we need to pay the money. If I don't use it, we no need to pay this like money. Okay, so that is the purpose we are going to use like the cloud computing. And previously we have the services are like we have the services like IaaS we have, then PaaS, platform as a service, software as a service. The traditional definition of cloud used to provide these three services. If I go for the IaaS, like I'm going to get the hardware related like a server, storage, networking, firewalls, all those we are getting in the IaaS. And if I go for the PaaS, I'm going to get the platforms like application servers, web servers, database servers, middleware kind of things, most of the like containers, Kubernetes, IDEs, these all the platforms like where we can develop our applications and we can deploy our applications also. Then if I go for a software as a service, already ready-made softwares, ERPs, applications, we are just going to use and we need to pay the money. If I use more, I'll pay more money. If I don't use it, I no need to pay the money. Okay, so that's like here we no need to pay the money if we don't use them. Okay, so now here these are the three important services we are getting. But today, like in the market, we have AA solutions, BA solutions, data science, data warehousing. Then we have even like analytics or machine learning, IoT. Okay, say DevOps kind of services, security kind of services, monitoring kind of services, like observability, logging, all these related services also have been added into the cloud. So today, that means in the traditional way, we have main categories related to IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS we have. But today, we have AA solutions, VA solutions, data science, data warehousing, analytics, machine learning, DevOps, IoT, security, observability. Okay, so what not? Everything in the IT, what we have today, we are getting from the cloud itself. And if I use more, I need to pay more money. If I don't use it, we no need to pay the money. So with all these factors, the importance of the cloud has been increasing day by day. Okay, but so now here we need to learn like in the profile we need to keep all these what we are going to discuss. We have multi-cloud, DevOps, automation, infrastructure provisioning, then observability, troubleshooting. So these kind of skills, what business is looking for us. Only one skill if I have, I want to do only admin of cloud. I want to do only like monitoring kind of thing. Today we don't have that kind of jobs. All we need to manage. Then we are going to get the success. Okay, so coming to the like what are the types of clouds we have? We have mostly three to four types of clouds we have. One is a private cloud we have. Then second one is a public cloud. Third one is a community cloud. Okay, then the fourth one is the hybrid cloud. Okay, so now here mostly whatever the things we are discussing like AWS, Azure, GCP, all these comes under like public cloud kind of services, but even they are supporting hybrid environments. Okay, and what is the concept of private cloud is say an enterprise can build a private cloud and it's exclusive for those company employees only. Others are not going to use that cloud. But if it is a public cloud, anyone can use it. Say suppose AWS is one third party, Amazon subsidiary is AWS. They started Amazon Web Services. Anyone from any country, any organization, any government agencies can use that public cloud. But if it is a private cloud, only that company employees only can access that private cloud. But if it is a public cloud, anyone can access. The community cloud is maybe 4 or 5 organizations can share that cloud. That is called as community kind of thing. And in the hybrid environment, like we have the combinations of public, private, community. If you have these combinations, then that is called as a hybrid kind of cloud. Okay, so it depends upon our enterprise requirements. We are going to choose public, private, and some of the companies are maintaining a hybrid cloud also. So now here in the public cloud, again, there are a lot of vendors we have that we need to manage multi-cloud kind of on-premises. We may have private cloud also. These kind of hybrid environments we need to work. That's going to give more career opportunities for us. Okay, and if you learn one cloud, the other cloud solutions are very simple. Like if you know AWS, Azure, GCP is manageable. Okay, after this also in your project you have OCI like Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or IBM Cloud, that's also manageable. Okay, so then here we have like in our course we are going to learn AWS and Azure parallelly. Like we also need to have that kind of self-learning kind of experience. That's parallelly try to explore GCP also. So that's is giving more career opportunities for us. Say as the market is down, we need to create more kind of job opportunities by creating multi skills in the profile. That is the only way we can survive in the market. Okay, so as the market is dull, like we need to keep more skills in our profile. And after we got the job in the project, that skills may be like narrowed down. But at the time of interview, the expectations are very high. In order to reach that, we require good expertise on the vast set of tools. Okay. So then here coming back to the like what are the type of job roles we have for this kind of positions we'll discuss. So now like here in the job roles we also need to be eligible for the multiple job roles that also will give more kind of career opportunities. Now here we need to make sure cloud admin kind of job role or cloud architect also. Say maybe at the initial level, maybe cloud admin or senior level positions can be cloud architect kind of thing. Then cloud DevOps related also we need to take care cloud and DevOps engineers. Then cloud security or security kind of DevSecOps also we need to take care. Then SRE level also like a site reliability engineer we need to take care the observability, logging, monitoring. And even disaster recovery. If any disaster happens, how to restore. So these all the type of roles we need to perform in the SRE kind of job role. Then even we need to take care like a developer kind of some basics of the automation using the developer kind of roles also we need to perform. Then data engineer kind of job role also we have. Say maybe we can't perform data engineer kind of job role, basics of the developer, some Python kind of automation, SRE, security, DevOps, architect, admin. Okay, so then monitoring, even monitoring also like is part of SRE kind of job role itself. Okay, so these all we need to take care. Okay, so except data engineer and developer kind of job roles, remaining all the job roles we should be suitable for this position. Okay, So now market is even good for SRE kind of job roles also. That's part of DevOps itself, but there are good job roles for SRE kind of job role also.
Sir, what about testing?
Okay. So these are all the things we are going to keep in the profile. So with that itself, we are getting a success in the market compared to others. Why we are getting the placements? All these are like we need to trust the skills. Okay. So without having the skills and cross-platform kind of skills, today we can't survive in the market.
Sir, could you tell me about testing?
Okay. Sure. Any doubts on this?
Sir, about testing.
Even from AWS wise, we are going to cover 30 to 40 services. Azure also will cover similar kind of services. Parallel, you need to explore GCP. DevOps also will cover in-depth Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Azure DevOps. So with this, uh, we can easily maintain 3 to 5 years of expertise in this area. And every day parallel, you need to learn some Linux, Windows administration, networking basics. That's also troubleshooting skills, some tools. All these also we need to manage. Okay. So here testing means already should have the testing kind of background. Okay. But we need to manage even QA kind of job roles also in the pipeline. All these are getting integrated. So only for testing, we don't have the job roles as of now. Even while performing that like a DevOps kind of pipeline automation, even QA related stuff also is added advantage. Those who are coming from that background. But as of now, only with the testing kind of thing, there is no market for that. Okay, so there is no market for this. Okay, yeah. Any doubts on this? Yeah. Any doubts? Yeah. Any doubts? Please ask me based on this. We'll discuss. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, what about Python, sir? You will tell
Yes,
the
yes. Python,
basics or programming.
what it required for the DevOps engineer, we are covering Python also.
Okay.
Okay. So suppose I'll tell one thing is if you say no to the Python or any automation, it doesn't work out today in the market. So definitely we require the Python skills also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what it required for the DevOps engineer, that Python we are covering. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts? Okay, so I'll again will revise. Okay, so what's here we are going to cover AWS, Azure, Azure DevOps also, then DevOps tools like uh, Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, then Maven, Gradle kind of. These all very basic tools we are integrating with the pipelines, Nexus, SonarQube. Then we have Prometheus, Grafana, then ELK stack. So these are all the tools we are going to cover. Any of the like a New Relic or a Datadog. So that kind of monitoring solutions also we required. Datadog or New Relic kind of tools also like we need to keep, and Bash or Python kind of scripting, some SQL basics also is added advantage. Then we required good troubleshooting skills also. We need to keep in the in the survival wise. Then OS level we required Linux, Windows, some virtualization also we'll try to add. Okay, so we have the on premises we may have virtualization environment also. So with all these, easy to maintain 4 to 5 years of experience. Okay, say here it takes all these maybe around 3 months it will take, but after like 45 days, 2 months, you can start the like a job search also. But parallelly need to finish all the videos, then we can go for job search also. Okay, yeah. Any doubts? Yeah, please let me know if you have any doubts. We'll discuss. Yeah, regarding the placement and proxy, those details you can discuss with the institute, not in this meeting. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. So then what is that virtualization is the base for cloud computing. But before cloud, we have mostly the virtualized environments. But now an automation on top of that virtualization itself we are calling as the cloud. Okay. So we require good experience on the cloud also is required. That base would be the virtualization. We have the different type of virtualizations. We'll discuss even that virtualization also is added advantage. Okay, and important DevOps wise is the Kubernetes, Terraform, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, pipeline. Then SRE roles also we have good market as of now. Okay. So on top of this, we need to add the automation using PowerShell or Bash or Python. Any of one is enough. But sometimes if you have any specific requirements, they may ask even that PowerShell, those things also people may ask us. And the DevOps wise, we are integrating even with the Azure DevOps also, easy to manage. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll start actual like AWS and first initial start with the AWS. What are the AWS services we have? Then parallelly we'll go for Linux also. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts on this? Any doubts? Yeah, please let me know. Okay, sure. If you don't have any doubts, we'll join from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Thanks for everyone for joining. Tomorrow we'll start at 10:45 like that.
Will we get the video for today?
Yes, I'll share the video also. Okay. So for video, those who
Okay.
please ping this number. I hope you have this number right. 96660 19191. Okay. So what are the names? Someone joined with N059012. Who is that?
Yeah, that is me, Neeraj.
Name? Neeraj?
Yeah.
Okay, Neeraj. Yeah, please ping this number 96660 19191. We'll send this recording. Even the complete demo video also, I think we already shared. Again, we'll reshare that.
Okay.
Okay, and even the concepts also before that, one day I'll share those videos. If we finish those videos, we can discuss on top of that more topics. So with that easy to cover, like our goal should be, we need to keep 4 to 5 years of expertise. We need to get that. That hands-on also we need to manage. If every day work for 5 to 6 hours every day, that's easily achievable. Because in the real time, they would be doing lot of repeated kind of stuff. That's all like we can manage in 3 to 4 months. We can manage after getting job also. Like it's a continuous process. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts? Okay, then tomorrow we'll join by 10:45. Same link. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ping 96660 19191. Okay. But try to speak something in the meeting, then it will be more interactive. Okay. So thanks for everyone for joining.